Welcome to Compare to Win. The best drip pan is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components in your home's water heater setup. Today, we're diving deep into the world of drip pans, exploring why they're essential for protecting your home from potential water damage. We'll cover everything from material selection to installation tips, ensuring you're well equipped to make an informed decision and safeguard your property. Number 5. HOTPOP XXL Silicone Drying Mat and Trivet. This is the ultimate kitchen accessory. It's designed to make your life easier and your kitchen cleaner. It's perfect for drying dishes and protecting your counters. The unique design features raised ridges to maximize airflow. It also has raised edges to keep your countertop dry and clean. This design is non-slip and shock absorbent. This mat is waterproof and heat resistant up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. You can also use it as a trivet for hot pots and pans. It's built to last and withstand daily use. Crafted from premium food-grade silicone, it's safe for all your kitchen needs. You can use it for drying, heat resistance, and as a trivet. It's a versatile and essential kitchen tool. Cleaning is a breeze, just wipe off spills or put it in the dishwasher. It rolls or folds up for easy storage. This makes it convenient to use and store. It serves as both a trivet and a drying mat. It's UV resistant, waterproof, and heat-proof. This makes it the ultimate kitchen convenience. What we like. This drying mat features raised ridges for optimal airflow, ensuring your countertop stays dry and clean. It's also heat resistant up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, making it a versatile trivet. If you are looking for a multifunctional solution for your kitchen, this is a great choice. It's perfect for both drying dishes and protecting surfaces from hot items. What people say. The pan is well made and fits perfectly. The drain fitting is of good quality and threads in nicely. The pan is a perfect fit and seems to be of good quality. Number 4. Flood Buzz Small Water Leak Alarm 3-pack. This water leak alarm is ready to go the moment you get it. There's no setup needed, so you can start protecting your home immediately. With a factory-installed battery, this device is incredibly simple to use. Just place it where you need it and let it do its job. Its minimal design allows it to fit into tight spaces. You can easily place it under appliances or in cabinets. For less than the price of a coffee, this device can save you thousands. It's a small investment for significant peace of mind. When water is detected, it emits a loud 95 dB sound. If you need more coverage, you can use multiple units. This is the only patented water leak alarm brand. The units are reusable until the replace-by date printed on them. Place it under kitchen sinks, under bathroom sinks, near water heaters, in RVs, next to toilets, and under dishwashers. It's versatile and can be used in many areas. What we like. This water leak alarm is incredibly easy to use, with no setup required. Its small size allows it to fit in tight spaces, and it offers cost-effective protection against potential water damage. If you are concerned about potential leaks in hidden areas, this is an ideal solution. It provides peace of mind without any complicated installation. What people say. It fit perfectly and was easy to install. The drain fitting is well made and easy to attach the drain hose to. This is a great product and does exactly what it is designed to do. Number 3. Nuwave Duralon Blue 7PC Ceramic Cookware Set. This cookware is forged for strength and durability, yet remains lightweight and easy to handle. It's designed to perform well for any cooking situation, no matter your skill level. The eco-friendly Duralon Blue ceramic coating is free of harmful chemicals like PFAS. It's all natural and won't emit toxic gases, ensuring a healthier cooking experience. This G10 Duralon Blue ceramic coating heats up quickly and evenly. Food releases effortlessly, and it's built to last. It's exceptional in every way. With a hardness rating of 9H, this coating is incredibly strong and resistant to abrasion and corrosion. It won't chip or discolor, maintaining its non-stick properties for a long time. Each piece is induction ready with an anti-warp plate for fast and even heat distribution. It provides superior heat retention at any temperature. This cookware set is safe for all cooktops, including electric and gas stoves. You can also use it in the oven up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, making it easy to transition from stovetop to oven. The shatter-resistant lids have a small vent to release steam safely. They are oven-safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and dishwasher-safe. What we like. This cookware set features a healthy Duralon blue coating, free of harmful chemicals, ensuring safe cooking. It's also induction-ready and provides even heat distribution for perfect results. If you like cooking with healthy and durable cookware, this set is a great choice. It's designed to make cooking easier and more enjoyable. What people say. The pan is well made and fits perfectly. The drain fitting is well designed and easy to attach a hose to. It is exactly what I needed to catch any leaks from my water heater. Number 2. Oatey 3406 24 inches. Water heater pan. Introducing the Oatey water heater pan. It's designed to protect your home from water damage. This product is a reliable solution for your water heater needs. Made from a semi-flexible, tough, and durable plastic polymer. It is built to last and withstand various conditions. You can count on it for long-term use. Unlike metal pans, this one will not rust or corrode. This feature ensures a longer lifespan and reduces the need for replacement. It's a worry-free choice. The Oatey pan meets the requirements of the Southern Building Code. This means it complies with safety standards. You can be confident in its quality and safety. It comes equipped with a PVC adapter for easy installation. The pre-drilled design accommodates the fittings. This makes setup simple and convenient. This product is specifically recommended for electric water heaters. It provides the protection you need. It's the perfect addition to your home. What we like. This hot water heater pan is made from durable plastic polymer, ensuring it won't rust or corrode. It also meets building code requirements, providing reliable protection. If you are looking for a simple and reliable solution to protect against water heater leaks, this is a great choice. It's a practical and code-compliant option. What people say. The pan is well made and fits perfectly. The drain fitting is well placed and easy to use. Number 1. Tovolo Turkey Baster with Cleaning Brush. This baster has a clever angled tip. It prevents messy drips while basting, ensuring clean cooking surfaces and precise liquid distribution every time. The soft silicone bulb squeezes easily to draw up meat drippings. It fits comfortably in your hand, and its generous capacity means fewer trips to the pan. The set includes a specialized cleaning brush. This brush reaches every corner of the tube, ensuring thorough sanitization after each use. It's also dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. Built with BPA-free materials, this baster safely handles high-temperature cooking. It's ideal for both stovetop and oven use during meal preparation. Monitor liquid levels at a glance with the transparent tube. Made from durable, heat-resistant tritan, it safely handles hot liquids up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit without cracking or melting. What we like. This turkey baster features a dripless angled tip, preventing messy drips while basting. The silicone bulb baster is easy to use and the heat-resistant design makes it safe for high-temperature cooking. If you like to cook turkey or other meats, this baster will make your cooking experience easier and cleaner. It's designed for precision and convenience. What people say. The pan is well made and fits perfectly. The drain fitting is well designed and easy to use. It is a perfect fit and seems to be of good quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.